Exercise A. Write A or N correctly in the blanks. None of us wants to be an engineer. Rancho is a baby elephant. How much does a new car cost? Yesterday we saw a very entertaining episode of Kid Wizards on TV. Italian is a European language. Traveling 2 kilometers in a heavy traffic took us a full hour. The captain of the ship was an 18-year-old boy. Puducherry is a union territory. They want a young actor to play the king's role. Going to the North Pole is an extremely difficult task. तो ये जो ए और एन का यूज़ किया है ये जो साउंड कंसोनेंट साउंड एंड वोवेल साउंड के अकॉर्डिंग फिल किए गए हैं. आपको उसी के अकॉर्डिंग फिल करने हैं. एक्सरसाइज बी. Underline the correct uses of the indefinite articles and circle the incorrect uses. Then rewrite the incorrect sentences correctly. Example: an old man came to our store to ask for a thermometers. An old man. This is right. Underline. And a thermometers. A wrong है. An answer is an old man came to our store to ask for thermometers. A red light will blink when there is an electricity in the circuit. A ये राइट है. अंडरलाइन. ये रॉन्ग था ए तो सर्कल. ये राइट था तो अंडरलाइन. ए राइट है. ए रेड लाइट विल ब्लिंक वेयर देयर इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन द सर्किट. एंड रॉन्ग है सर्कल. इज अ लैपटॉप heavier than a dictionary. ये राइट है. ये राइट है. ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट है. राइट. ए में अंडरलाइन. इस ए में भी अंडरलाइन. प्लीज आस्क फॉर ए एक्स्ट्रा स्कूप ऑफ आइसक्रीम. ए एक्स्ट्रा रॉन्ग सर्कल. एन एक्स्ट्रा. प्लीज आस्क फॉर एन एक्स्ट्रा स्कूप ऑफ आइसक्रीम. I am going to the town to buy a furniture for my room. Wrong circle. I am going to the town to buy furniture for my room. You have to write. When the ship sank, Gulliver clung to a log of a wood. A right है. Underline. This is wrong circle. You have to write when the ship sank, Gulliver clung to a log of wood. Anita bought a bottle of tomato sauce, a sugar, a kitchen knife, a energy drink and box of ice cream. So Anita bought a bottle of tomato sauce. A राइट है. ए सुगर नॉट. रॉन्ग है. ए सर्कल. सुगर तो अनकाउंटेबल है तो ए नहीं आएगा. सर्कल. ए किचन नाइफ करेक्ट है. अंडरलाइन. ए एनर्जी. एनर्जी ए रॉन्ग है. एन एनर्जी ड्रिंक. एंड रॉन्ग है. सर्कल. a box of ice cream. Correct answer is Anita bought a bottle of tomato sauce, sugar, a kitchen knife, an energy drink and a box of ice cream. Saroj opened the lock with a knife. Right here. A. Correct. A chimpanzee is not as tall as an human being. A chimpanzee. Right here. An. Not wrong here. Circle. A human being. A chimpanzee is not as tall as a human being. Raghuram is an actor and an writer. So Raghuram is an actor, writer, and a writer, not an. Writer, ra. And a is right. So Raghuram is an actor and a writer.